everyone. Welcome back to Master Coding Prep. In this video, we are going to learn one of the most powerful topics of JavaScript. Now we'll see our first question. What is DOM? DOM stands for Document Object Model. Document Object Model is a programming interface for a web document. It represents the structure of a web page as a tree of objects. Using DOM, we can change the text color as or style instantly. We can add new elements like lists, buttons, and even we can build dynamic and interactive websites.
We'll see an example. In our example, I will print the title of our document. Our document title is DOM manipulation. HTML versus DOM. HTML is like ink on the page, the written story. It's just text that describes the structure. But the browser reads the HTML. It builds like 3D model of the story called DOM.
We'll change hello world to hello developers. So for that, I want to give here class name as heading. Here we have only one heading, right? So for that, we need to write logic like document dot get element by class name of heading of 0 dot inner text equals to hello developers. Now you can see here our hello world changed to hello developers. Okay, now I will tell why we are using like in another like bracket 0. Document dot get element by class name returns an HTML collection, not a single element. That's why dot inner text doesn't work. It expects an array of elements. So that's why it doesn't work with. Okay, now if you think this is confusing, I will tell another method how to change the text. Document dot query selector. Here we have given as class name, right? So that's why we'll indicate with dot heading dot inner text equals to hello developers. Now we'll see the output. You can see here hello world change into hello developers, right?
Now we will see the DOM selection methods. Methods like get element by ID, get element by class, get element by query selector or query selector. All these methods provides different ways to access DOM elements. But here query selector all returns a node list of collection that can be efficiently processed. That means we can manipulate multiple elements using query selector all.
Here in case of get element by ID, we don't need to write like this because here ID is used for getting a single element. So we can get directly hello developers. So the hello world directly changes to hello developers. Now you can see here our hello world changed to hello developers. It's interesting, right? We can also get the element like directly document dot get element by tag name. Here we have many options. Please try by your own.
Yes, the key approaches to DOM content creation. Like create element of creates a new element. This method generates a new DOM elements that can be customized before being added to the documents. And after creating documents, we need to append it. After creating document, append dot child of it is used to insert these created elements into the DOM tree as a specific locations.
Okay, now here we don't have any tags inside of our body. And now we'll create the tags. Now document dot create element like heading tag h1. Now we'll give an variable name like heading let heading equals to now heading dot inner text equals to hello world. Now we'll create paragraph like para equals to document dot create element paragraph. Now para dot inner text equals to I am learning JavaScript. Now we'll append this heading dot, no sorry, document dot body dot append child of heading, heading, and like same we'll append para also. Here we will write para. That's it. Now we'll see the output. Now you can see here it was printed hello work. Sorry, spelling mistake in our HTML. And here I am running JavaScript. We have created h1 and paragraph. Here, if we don't append this heading and para, we can't see the hello world and paragraph in our browser. So we need to append that. Then only we can see the heading and paragraph. Here we have created only h1 and paragraph, but we can create multiple tags. Not only h1 and p. Like we can create div tag, span tag, like many tags we can create here. I request you to create some tags other than these two.
Okay guys, that's all in this video. In next video, I will explain event bubbling, event delegation, security concerns, performance optimization, DOM shadow. We'll see you in next video. Please subscribe and like the video.